In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and manage your clients' accounts with Google Ads Manager accounts in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a marketing professional or a business owner looking to streamline your ad management process, this guide will help you efficiently oversee multiple accounts from one central location. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is your starting point for managing all your advertising needs. If you're new to Google Ads, you'll find a user-friendly platform designed to help you attract and engage customers with effective online advertising strategies. Now, on the homepage, locate and click the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Signing in will take you directly to your Google Ads dashboard, where you can access all your advertising accounts and related tools. Once you are in the Google Ads home, it's time to navigate to the Admin section. The Admin panel acts as your command center where you can adjust account settings, view performance statistics, and make necessary modifications to improve your ad strategies. Look for the Admin button in your dashboard menu and click on it. If you're managing multiple accounts, this is where you'll find the options to oversee each one effectively. Next, you're going to select Access and Security. Here, you can manage who has access to your accounts, ensuring that your information remains secure and only authorized personnel can make changes. It's a good practice to review permissions regularly to keep your accounts safe. Click on Access and Security to proceed to the next step. Now you're ready to add new users to your account. Adding users allows team members to collaborate and contribute to the success of your ad campaigns. In the Access and Security section, locate and click on Add. This will enable you to input the necessary information for the user you want to grant access to. It's important to assign the appropriate user roles based on what responsibilities each team member holds to ensure effective collaboration without compromising security. Remember, managing a Google Ads Manager account is a dynamic process. Regularly monitor account performance and stay up to date with the latest Google Ads features and best practices to maximize your advertising effectiveness. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to efficiently managing multiple client accounts with ease. And that's all for today. You have now connected and are ready to manage your clients' accounts with Google Ads Manager accounts. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy advertising.